Imagine waking up tomorrow, unlocking your phone and suddenly seeing that the app you use for almost every payment is suddenly in the headlines because the regulator has taken action against it. Your wallet balance is there, your FASTag runs on it, every QR code you scan goes through it. Nobody has explained anything yet, so your brain jumps to just one question: is my money safe? For nearly 10 crore Indians, this wasn't imagination. It was February 1st, 2024 morning and the app was Paytm. And here is the part that should stop you. Although the app kept working perfectly, in just 1 month, Paytm's brand health score tracked by YouGov collapsed from 46.6% to 20.2%, that cut in half. Its customers were losing something far more valuable than functionality. They were losing trust. And to understand why this happened, you first have to understand how big Paytm has become. When demonetization hit in 2026, Paytm didn't just gain users, it became a habit. Paytm Karo became part of everyday language and millions of Indians trusted the app for their daily payments. By the time the company had crossed 100 million monthly active users, it wasn't just another fintech brand, it has become part of India's daily life. Then on January 31st, 2024, the Reserve Bank of India directed Paytm Payments Bank to stop accepting fresh deposits, wallet top-ups and new customers after identifying persistent compliance issues, including deficiencies in KYC process. The order made headlines, but headlines were not what damaged Paytm. Confusion did. So hello guys, this is Ronak Singh from Venturesathi, where we provide tech-driven contact-centered solutions combining strategic consultation, human support and specialized IT services to modernize your customer experience. Here is what most people misunderstood. The RBI action was against Paytm's payment bank, not Paytm's entire payment ecosystem. UPI payments continued, customers' money remained safe. The regulator made that clear, but legally being safe and emotionally being safe are two very different things. Customers didn't care about the company's legal structure, they care about only one thing: can I still trust this app? Millions of users were suddenly wondering whether their wallet would stop working, whether their FASTag would fail, or whether they should switch to another payment bank. This confusion spread faster than clear communication. In fact, the RBI governor eventually announced that detailed FAQs would be released to answer customers' concern. Just think about that, the regulator ended up calming customers when everyone expected the brand to do it. And when brands don't control the conversation, customers quietly make their own decision one tap at a time. This story teaches three powerful lessons. First, compliance is customer experience. Compliance may feel like back office work, but when it fails, customers don't blame paperwork, they blame the brand. Second, speed of communication matters as much as the product itself. During a crisis, customers don't wait for press releases, they expect answers. Silence creates uncertainty and uncertainty destroys trust. And third, deep customer relationships survive longer. Here's the part most people miss. Despite everything, Paytm actually retained most of its merchant network because merchants relied on daily settlements, soundboxes and dedicated support. Their relationship was not just an app, it was an ongoing experience, and where the experience ran deep, trust held. Where it was just an app icon, customers switched with one tap. Today, Paytm is still rebuilding, but this story is not really about one fintech company, it's about every business that depends on customer trust. Customers can forgive outages, they can forgive higher prices, but when their money feels uncertain, they rarely forgive silence. It took Paytm years to build one of India's most trusted fintech brand, yet in just a few weeks, uncertainty damaged that trust far faster than any bug, outage or competitor ever could. Because in moments of doubt, communication becomes the product. So here is the question worth sitting with. If your brand faced the trust crisis tomorrow, would your customer support be the firewall or the fuel? Let us know in the comment, and for more such videos you can subscribe to our channel Venturesathi.